In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and clear your browsing history on Amazon. Whether you're looking to revisit products you've browsed or want to tidy things up, I'll walk you through this process step by step. Let's start by learning how to view your browsing history on Amazon. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your Amazon account. This is essential because your browsing history is tied to your individual account. Once you're signed in, head over to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover over this section with your mouse or cursor and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you should see an option clearly marked as Browsing History. Go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you'll be directed to a page that displays all the items you've recently viewed. This can include products you've checked out, pages you've navigated to, and more. It's a handy feature if you want to quickly find something you previously saw without searching for it all over again. Now that you know how to find your browsing history, let's move on to how you can clear or remove items from it. If there's a particular item you want to remove individually, the process is straightforward. On the Browsing History page, simply locate the specific item you'd like to get rid of. Once you've found it, you'll see an option to Remove from View. Click on this, and that particular item will no longer appear in your browsing history. If you're looking to clear out your entire history, there's a quick way to do this on the desktop version. Look for the section labeled Manage History. This should be located towards the top right of the Browsing History page. Clicking on the down arrow next to Manage History will reveal several options. From there, you can select Remove All Items from View. And just like that, your entire browsing history will be cleared. Lastly, if you want to ensure that no new items are logged into your browsing history moving forward, Amazon gives you an option to pause or disable the feature altogether. In the Manage History settings, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Turn Browsing History On/Off. Toggling this setting off will prevent Amazon from storing your browsing history in the future. This is particularly useful if you're sharing your account and want to maintain a level of privacy or simply prefer the clean slate approach. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily view, manage, and clear your Amazon browsing history. Whether you want to find something you saw recently or ensure a fresh start without any browsing records, these tools give you control over your online experience. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.